Γεια σας φίλες και φίλοι μου. Καλημέρα. Welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Stalo and today we are going to learn the days of the week. I have a special guest here today who will help me out. Her name is Lily and she's learning Greek just like you.
Hi guys, it's Lily. Welcome to the newest Greek with Stella. We're going to learn the Greek words in the Greek days of the week.
We are going to learn the names of the days and then we will have a very interesting section on how the days got their names and how they differ from other languages. Really interesting stuff, so stick around. Finally, we will go over some examples in order to show the structure of the days in Greek. By the way, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. Thank you. Okay, so let's start with Lily.
Hi guys, it's Lily. Today we're going to learn the days of the week in Greek with Stella.
Kyriaki,
Kyriaki, Sunday.
Δευτέρα,
Deftera, Monday.
Τρίτη,
Riti, Tuesday.
Τετάρτη,
Tedarti, Wednesday.
Πέμπτη,
Benti, Thursday.
Παρασκευή,
Paraskevi, Friday.
Σάββατο.
Sábado, Saturday. Bye guys!
Thank you, Lilimu. That was great. Okay, so the days of the week. Ημέρες της εβδομάδας. Ημέρες της εβδομάδας. I will just read the names in Greek one more time before we get to the really interesting stuff. Η Κυριακή, η Δευτέρα, η Τρίτη, η Τετάρτη, η Πέμπτη, η Παρασκευή, το Σάββατο. Now, how did the days get their names? We will go over them one by one. Η Κυριακή, Sunday. Η Κυριακή comes from the word ο Κύριος, which means the Lord. So, η Κυριακή is the day of the Lord. Similar is the word that is used for Sunday in the Romance languages, that is, the Latin-based languages. For example, Domingo in Spanish, Domenica in Italian, Dimanche in French. All come from the Latin word Dominus, which means Lord. In the Germanic languages, however, the word Sunday is associated with the sun. So, for example, Sunday in English, Sonntag in German. Η Δευτέρα, Monday, comes from Δεύτερος, which means second. So, Δευτέρα is the second day because Sunday, Kyriaki, is the first day. In the Romance languages, it's associated with the Latin word luna, which means moon. For example, lunes in Spanish, lunedì in Italian, lundi in French. The same thing in the Germanic languages, even though the word moon is used instead of luna. So, Monday in English, Montag in German. Η Τρίτη, Tuesday. Η Τρίτη comes from Tritos, which means third. So, η Τρίτη is the third day. In the Romance languages, it's associated with Mars. For example, Martes in Spanish, Martedì in Italian, Mardi in French. In the Germanic languages, the word is associated with the Germanic god Tiyu, who is the equivalent of Mars. For example, Tuesday in English. Η Τετάρτη, Wednesday, comes from Τέταρτος, which means fourth. So, η Τετάρτη is the fourth day. In the Romance languages, it's associated with Mercury. For example, miércoles in Spanish, mercoledì in Italian, mercredi in French. In the Germanic languages, the word is associated with the Germanic god Woden, who is the equivalent of Mercury. For example, Wednesday in English. Η Πέμπτη, Thursday, comes from Pemptos, which means fifth. So, η Πέμπτη is the fifth day. In the Romance languages, it's associated with Zeus. For example, Jueves in Spanish, Giovedì in Italian, Jeudi in French. In the Germanic languages, it's associated with the Germanic god Thor, who is the equivalent of Zeus. For example, Thursday in English. Η Παρασκευή, Friday. Η Παρασκευή means the preparation, and it started as preparation for the Sabbath. In the Romance languages, it's associated with Venus. For example, Viernes in Spanish, Venerdì in Italian, Vendredi in French. In the Germanic languages, it's associated with the Germanic goddess Freya, who is the equivalent of Venus. For example, Friday in English. Το Σάββατο, Saturday, is the seventh day of the week. It comes from Hebrew and it means the Sabbath. In the Romance languages, the same word is used. For example, sábado in Spanish, sábado in Italian, samedi in French. They all come from Sabbath. In the Germanic languages, the word is associated with Saturn. For example, Saturday in English. Now let's take a look at the structure of the days together with some examples. Ημέρα or η ημέρα, the day. Ημέρα, η ημέρα. Η εβδομάδα, the week. Η εβδομάδα. Το Σαββατοκυριακό, the weekend. Can also be το Σαββατοκύριακο. Το Σαββατοκυριακό. Το Σαββατοκύριακο. So if you want to say on Sunday, on Monday, and so on, you say it like this. Την Κυριακή, on Sunday. Την Δευτέρα. Την Τρίτη. Την Τετάρτη. Την Πέμπτη. Την Παρασκευή. Το Σάββατο, because it's neuter. Το Σαββατοκυριακό. So these are all feminine nouns and they take the article in the accusative case, την, and these two, Sábato and Σαββατοκυριακό, are both neuter nouns and the article is το. Now if you want to say Sundays, Mondays, and so on to indicate a habit, we use the plural together with the article. Τις Κυριακές, Sundays. Τις Δευτέρες. Τις Τρίτες. Τις Τετάρτες. Τις Πέμπτες. Τις Παρασκευές. Τα Σάββατα. Τα Σαββατοκυριακά. Again, here because these are all feminine nouns, we use the article, the feminine article, in the plural, τις. While these two, because they are neuter nouns, we use the neuter article in the plural, ta. Τι μέρα είναι σήμερα? What day is today? Τι μέρα είναι σήμερα? Σήμερα είναι Πέμπτη. Today is Thursday. Σήμερα είναι Πέμπτη. Ήρθαν την Τρίτη. They came on Tuesday. Ήρθαν την Τρίτη. Ήρθαν την περασμένη Τρίτη. They came last Tuesday. Ήρθαν την περασμένη Τρίτη. Notice here that we have to use the article in Greek. In English we say last Tuesday without an article, but in Greek we have to say την περασμένη Τρίτη with the article. Την Κυριακή θα φύγω. On Sunday I will leave. Την Κυριακή θα φύγω. Την ερχόμενη Κυριακή θα φύγω. Next Sunday I will leave. Την ερχόμενη Κυριακή θα φύγω. The same here, we need the article. Την ερχόμενη Κυριακή. Τις Δευτέρες πάω έξω. Mondays I go out. Τις Δευτέρες πάω έξω. Την Δευτέρα πάω έξω. On Monday I go out. Sometimes, depending on the context, even if you use the singular την Δευτέρα instead of τις Δευτέρες, you can still imply that it's on Mondays, not just one Monday that you go out. Την Δευτέρα συνήθως πάω έξω. On Monday I usually go out. So the adverb συνήθως really makes it clearer, even though you use the singular form. Την Δευτέρα συνήθως πάω έξω. Κάθε Δευτέρα πάω έξω. Every Monday I go out. Κάθε Δευτέρα πάω έξω. And here is a table of the Greek alphabet. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you again soon. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.